Hi, Miss Shortell. This is me, Andreas. I'm going to read Amazing Animals Pandas by Valerie Bawden. A panda is a mammal. Pandas are part of the bear family. They are one of the smallest kind of bear. There are few pandas left in the wild today. Pandas have thick black and white fur. They have sharp claws and strong legs. Their front paws have a long bone that looks like a thumb. This bone helps pandas pick up things. The biggest pandas are about 6 feet long. They can weigh up to 240 pounds. Female pandas are usually smaller than males. Pandas live only in the middle of China. They live in bamboo forests. The bamboo grows in cool, rainy, or snowy mountains. Pandas eat bamboo. Bamboo is a kind of grass that looks like a tree. It has a thick stem, branches, and leaves. Pandas can eat more than 80 pounds of bamboo every day. Once in a while, pandas eat flowers, vines, or even bamboo rats too. A wild female panda gives birth to 1 or 2 cubs in a den. Newborn cubs are tiny. They weigh less than a tube of toothpaste. When a cub is about 2 years old, it leaves its mother. Young pandas have to watch out for leopards and wild dogs called dholes. Wild pandas can live up to 20 years. Adult pandas live alone. They eat bamboo almost all the time. They sometimes eat sitting up with their back against the tree. Pandas nap between meals. Pandas can climb trees. They sometimes crawl and play on the ground. Pandas generally quiet, but they can bark, growl, and squeal. Not many people have seen pandas in the wild, but some people study them at research centers in China. Pandas live in zoos around the world too. It can be fun to see these furry bears up close. A panda story. Why are pandas black and white? A story from China says that pandas used to be all white. Then one day, a little girl saved a panda cub from a leopard. The girl died when the leopard attacked her. The pandas were so sad that they pawed the ground and cried. They wiped their eyes with their muddy paws and hugged each other. The mud from their paws left black marks. Pandas had black and white fur ever since.
The end.
The end.